Did you know the way you sleep tonight could decide your health tomorrow? One single position in bed may silently increase your risk of stroke, especially if you're over 60. Many seniors practice it without even realizing the hidden danger. But which position is it? And what can you do to protect yourself? Stay with me, because today, we're uncovering the worst sleeping position for seniors, why it raises stroke risk overnight, and most importantly, what safer alternatives you can adopt right away for a healthier, longer life. As we age, sleep is no longer just about rest, it becomes a foundation for survival. For seniors, quality sleep reduces the risk of heart disease, supports memory, balances mood, and strengthens immunity. But while we focus so much on how long we sleep, we often forget to ask, how do we sleep? Your sleeping position isn't just about comfort. It can directly affect your breathing, your heart, your blood circulation, and yes, even your risk of stroke. Stroke is one of the leading causes of disability and death in older adults. Every 40 seconds, someone in the world suffers a stroke. After the age of 60, risk factors such as high blood pressure, diabetes, and atrial fibrillation become more common. But here's what many people don't know: the way blood flows, or gets restricted, while you're sleeping can trigger a stroke while you're resting. Imagine going to bed healthy and waking up with slurred speech, weakness in one arm, or vision problems. Many seniors experience strokes in the early morning hours, often linked to poor circulation during sleep. So, what's the worst sleeping position for seniors when it comes to stroke risk? It's sleeping on your stomach, face down. This position may feel comfortable for some, but here's the hidden danger. When you lie face down, you compress your neck arteries, restrict oxygen flow, and put extra pressure on your chest and lungs. For seniors with already narrowed arteries or high blood pressure, this restriction can raise the risk of a nighttime stroke. When you lie on your stomach, here's what really happens. First, your neck twists to the side, and that twist squeezes the very arteries that carry blood to your brain. Second, your chest is pressed into the mattress, which makes your lungs work harder just to pull in air. Less oxygen means more risk for your heart and brain. Over time, this position also strains your spine and nerves, which can worsen circulation issues. And if you already snore or have sleep apnea, sleeping face down makes those nighttime blockages even worse. So while it feels harmless, your body is quietly struggling the whole night. Now that we know which position is dangerous, let's focus on healthier, safer alternatives. These positions improve circulation, reduce pressure, and protect your brain while you sleep. The first option is sleeping on your back, with support. It's best for spinal alignment, reduces pressure in your heart, and keeps circulation to the brain steady. If you add a small pillow under your knees, it relieves strain on your lower back. Elevating your head slightly can also cut down on snoring and reflex. The second option is sleeping on your side, especially the left side. This improves blood flow to the brain, helps digestion, reduces acid reflux, and is highly recommended for seniors with high blood pressure or heart problems. And for those with breathing issues, a semi-reclined position works wonders. Using an adjustable bed or extra pillows to raise your head and chest reduces sleep apnea episodes and keeps your airways clear. Now, I know what you might be thinking: Doctor, I've been sleeping on my stomach for 40 years. How can I change that now? The good news is, it is possible, and here's how. Many of my senior patients swear by a long body pillow. Hugging it feels comforting, and it naturally keeps you on your side. Another trick is to place a firm pillow by your stomach, so if you try to roll over, your body stops itself. Start small, even practicing side sleeping during short afternoon naps helps retrain your body. And if you slightly raise the head of your bed or add an extra pillow, you'll breathe easier and stay more comfortable. Before you switch off the light at night, do a quick blood pressure check. It takes just a minute, but it can alert you if something's off. Try not to eat a heavy dinner late at night. Your body has to work double time to digest, and that can push up your blood pressure. Keep a glass of water near your bed too. Even mild dehydration makes your blood thicker, which is risky for strokes. And finally, a bit of gentle stretching before bed, nothing fancy, just rolling your shoulders or lifting your arms, keeps your blood flowing and your muscles relaxed. Male, let's be real, even with precautions, strokes can still happen. The key is spotting the warning signs quickly. Picture this: you wake up, look in the mirror, and one side of your face doesn't look right. Or maybe you reach for your morning cup of tea, and your arm suddenly feels weak. If your words come out slurred, don't wait, don't sleep it off. Remember one word, fast. Face, arm, speech, time. If you notice any of these, it's time to call emergency services immediately. Every minute matters. Changing how you sleep may sound small, but it could make the biggest difference in your health. Remember, your body is healing while you rest. Give it the best chance by choosing a position that supports blood flow, protects your heart, and keeps your brain safe. You deserve nights of peace and mornings full of strength. Every small change you make today can add years of healthier living tomorrow. Now you know the worst sleeping position for seniors and how it increases stroke risk overnight, and you also know the safer alternatives. Try making these small adjustments tonight, and your future self will thank you. If you found this video helpful, please give it a like, share it with your friends or family who might benefit, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. We'll continue bringing you life-saving health insights, step-by-step guides, and practical wisdom to help you live stronger and longer. Stay safe, sleep well, and I'll see you in the next video.